Service Kumar Pandey, PGT English, Umanasam Senior Secondary School, and this is class 12th, subject English. Dear students, we are going to read the first chapter of the prose from Flamingo, the last lesson. Now you would like to know the synopsis of this story. Last lesson is given by a dedicated, dynamic, devotional teacher, Hammond. He was giving his teachings to the students about the importance of language, nationalism, and feelings of dedication to the nation. Alfonso has given the theme that there was a war between Persia and French. French defeated by the Persians, and having given a lecture to the students, Hammond said that, my dear students, today I am going to give you my last lesson. And what is my last lesson? The last lesson is about we have been defeated by the Germans, and the order comes from German that there will be no teaching of French language in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. So this is my last lesson. Please be careful, attentive, so that you might be able to understand what I say about the importance of the lesson, language nationalism. Dear students, you have to be the follower of your mother language. Maybe on account of speaking your own language, may be put into the jail, but the success of it will be in your hand, since you are the supporter of mother language. Little French, a student of the class, was suicide on that day. Very beginning of the story, it has been described that he did not want to go to the school, but he went. He thought that I should go out of the class and be in the nature, the birds and the mountains. Since he was afraid of Hamill's role and his behavior, he thought that Hamill is a strict teacher and he had given me a topic and I had to produce the topic in proper way before the class. He thought that I had not remembered. Had I gone to the school, I would have been able to learn properly, but I did not mind what the professor said. He thought that I will have to be the school, so he was in a hurry on that day to go to the school. And when he was passing the road, there were people who were making fun of it. They thought, why are you going to school so early? You have a lot of time to produce yourself in the class. But he did not stay. On the way, there were people gathered about the bulletin board and they were reading something. Little fellow thought himself, what could be? For nearly 4 years, all the omens, all the bad news are produced here. What could be today? But he did not stay. And in one breath, he wanted to produce himself in the classroom. He went there. When he was near the school, there was so grave-like silence. There was tranquility. There was no any hustle and bustle. Earlier, when there was a school, there was a lots of noise, but on that day it was something exceptional. He himself thought, what could be today? What could be the today? He entered the class. How it was a remarkable thing that he wanted to produce himself in the classroom before the teacher, but he decided to enter. Hamel was on the main door. He saw. He said to him, my dear student, please come to the class. I went into the classroom. I sat on my table, and when everything was calm and tranquil in the classroom, I saw that Professor Hamel was in exceptional dress on that day. And such dress he never wore except either on any function or prize distribution day. But on that day, what was? He was in a grey mood. And the exceptional thing I saw in the classroom, the villagers were sitting on the last benches, which were already open, which were already vacant. The people from the village were sitting there. They were talking, they were sad too. They were there in the classroom. I thought, what could be? In the meantime, Hamel stood up and great silence is said. My dear students, we have been defeated by the Germans, and today in my last lesson, I shall give you. So be attentive, be careful, and listen to me what I say. We have been defeated by the Germans. Alsace and Lorraine have been captured by the Germans, and order comes from there that there will be no teaching of French language in the school of Alsace and Lorraine. So my dear students, I would like to say one important thing before you that remember, French language is the world's most logical language, most beautiful, most understanding among the world. So dear students, always you follow your own mother language. Maybe on account of speaking foreign language, your own language, you may be put into jail. But I assure you that the key of success will be in your hand. This is my last lesson. I thought that will they allow the PGs to speak in the German? It is not possible. Then Professor Hamel said to me, my dear student, Hamel, French student, and tell me about the rule of participle. I had not remembered the rule of participle. I had not gone through the rule of participle. So how shall I be able to speak about the participle in a single minute before disturbing anything? I stood up my bench, clutching the bench. I said, sir, participle. He told me, yes, my boy. Tell about the participle. But I was disturbed. Hamel said to me, my dear French, this is not your fault. We all are at fault. We three to be blamed for such action. You, myself, and your guardian. Your guardian never thought for better education to you. They always thought you go to any mill, earn the money for the livelihood. You also did not want to come into the school. You decided to prefer outgo to the school. And where my concern, I am also be able to be blamed. You come to my further reading, but on that day I did not teach. And again on the next day you came to the school, I said, go and plant, water the plants since they are jumping. My dear French, we three are to be blamed. On that day he had brought some copies for the students. He divided among the students. And littlest in the class who were sitting, they began to write. There was total calm and tranquility in the classroom. None was talking to anyone. Everywhere there was silence in the classroom, graveyard silence. And Professor Hamel was watching everything. He wanted to have all the glimpses of the classroom in one side. He wanted to have all the glimpses in his mind before going to the school, since on the next day he had to leave the school. That is why he was so sad. I never saw such a man in such a grave expression. But Hamel did so. He wanted to say something. He wanted to tell more things. But really, he was in a grave. He was in a mood of sorrow. He stood from the chair and wanted to speak something but could not speak. He took a piece of chalk and wrote on the board, "Vive la France." Vive la France, dear students, here it means long live France. With these words, he made a gesture, and with the help of hands, he decided to say to the students, "My dear students, this is the last class. You may go from the school. This is my last lesson." I think that you would have been understood the topic. For your convenience, I would like to describe it in Hindi. Last lesson एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन